Welcome to my channel Shashi Online Classes. We have completed question number 1 to 6 of exercise 2C in my previous videos. Today we will start from question number 7. So let's solve question number 7. Find the rate % per annum if compounded yearly. Question number 7, first part. In first part, we have P equal to rupees 196, A equal to rupees 225, and time equal to 2 years. In this question, we have to find R. We have to find rate. So, हम amount का formula लगाएंगे. A equal to P1 plus R upon 100 N. इससे हमें R मिल जाएगा इस वाले फॉर्मूले से. A है हमारे पास 225 equal to P is 196. 1 plus R we don't know upon 100. Time is 2 years. This 196 will go here in the denominator. We will get 225 upon this will go here 196 equal to 1 plus R upon 100 square. Here is square, so we will do squaring here also. Square of 225 is 15 and 196 is 14. So we can also write it as 15 upon 14 whole square equal to 1 plus R upon 100 square. Now square will be cancelled and we will get 15 upon 14 equal to 1 plus R upon 100. Square will cancel from both the sides. Now this one will go here and it will become minus. Here it is plus. When it will go this side, it will become minus. 15 upon 14 minus 1 equal to R upon 100. Now we will take denominator as 14. 14. Here 15 will remain same minus. When there is no denominator given, it means there is 1. We have multiplied 1 with 14. So we get denominator as 14. So we will multiply this one in the numerator also with 14. And we will get 14. 15 minus 14 upon 14 equal to R upon 100. After subtracting it, we will get 1 upon 14 equal to R upon 100. Now here this 100 is in divide. It will go here and it will become multiply. 1 into 100 upon 14 equal to R. Now it will become 100 upon 14 equal to R. Now we will reduce them. 2 7s are 14, 2 50s are 100. So we got R equal to 50 upon 7. We will convert it into mixed fraction. 7 7s are 14 plus 150 upon 7. So we get 7 1 upon 7 as our R. R equal to 7, 1 upon 7%. This is our answer. Now we will solve question number 7, second part. In second part, we have P equal to rupees 3,136. We have CI equal to rupees 345 and we have time equal to 2 years. So for solving this question, first we have to find A. We can find A by doing P plus CI because CI equal to A minus P. So if we will do CI plus P, then we can get A. So we will do A equal to P plus CI. A equal to, we have P equal to rupees 3,136 plus we have CI equal to rupees 345. Now we will add them and we will get A. Now we will add them. A equal to rupees 3,481. This will be our amount. Now for finding rate, we will use the formula of amount. A equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 N. By this formula we will get R. So A is 3,481 equal to, this we have find, equal to 3,481 equal to P is 3,136. 1 plus R upon 100 time is 2 years. Now this 3,136 will go in denominator and it will become as 3,481 upon 3,136 equal to 1 plus R upon 100 square. Now here it is square, so we will square this side also. So square of 3,481 is 59 and 3,136 is 56. We can also write it as 59 upon 56 का whole square equal to 1 plus R upon 100 square. Square will be cancelled from both the sides and we will get 59 upon 56 equal to 1 plus R upon 100. Now this 1 will go here and it will become minus 1 because here it is plus 1. It will go here and become minus 1. 59 upon 56 minus 1 equal to R upon 100. Here denominator is 1 because when no denominator is given, denominator will be 1. Here is 56, so this will also become 56. And here it will also be multiplied by 56 because denominator is multiplied by 56. It will become 59 minus 56 upon 56 equal to R upon 100. We will get 3 upon 56 equal to R upon 100. This 100 here is in divide. It will go here and become multiply. 3 into 100 upon 56 equal to R. Now we will multiply this. By multiplying this, we will get 300 upon 56 equal to R. We will reduce them. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 0s are 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. So we get r equal to 75 upon 14. Now we will write it in mixed fraction. R equal to 14 5s are 70 plus 5, 75 upon 14. We will get r equal to 5 upon 14%. This will be our answer. Now we will solve question number 9. Rupees 8,000 became rupees 9,261 in a certain interval of time at the rate of 5% per annum. CI, find the time. In this question we have to find time. So let's solve question number 9. In this question we have A equal to rupees 9,261 and we have P equal to rupees 8,000 and we have rate equal to 5%. For finding time also we will use the formula of A. A equal to P1 plus R upon 100 N. Here we have to find this N. We have to find time. A is 9,261 equal to P is 8,000. 1 plus R is 5 upon 100 N. This 8,000 will go here in the denominator and it will become 9,261 upon 8,000 equal to 1 plus 5 upon 100 N. Here we will reduce it. 5 1s are 5, 5 20s are 100. Cube of is 9,261 and cube of 20 is 8,000. We can also write it as 21 upon 20 whole cube. We can also write it as 21 upon 20 whole cube equal to 20 1s are 20 plus 121 upon 20. 21 upon 20 N. Now here it is same 21 upon 20. Here it is also same 21 upon 20. Here time is 3 years. So time here also will be 3 years. So we have find N. N equal to 3 years. This is our answer. आगे के questions next video में. If you like my videos then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest video updates. Thanks for watching.